Today we're on the farm and we are doing a fence check after some heavy winds recently. So come along with us and see what we can find. We found that the cows have pushed through an electric fence in the bottom corner of our bottom paddock. This fence is separating the main paddock from a swamp area that we turned into a tree run in 2021. We planted 100 trees for wildlife and to reduce the amount of water that is held in this area in winter. Oh no, the screen just goes dead, that's all. The cows have also pushed through this electric fence down in this corner as well. They have done a good job of cleaning up the grass in this area, so we're not that upset really. We were actually thinking of opening up this little corner again soon, once the trees are a bit more established. So you can see the fence has gotten quite tangled and it's actually snapped. So we're just going to do a quick fix here to get the fence back up and running. It's all tangled here. Yes. We actually discovered after today that the electric fence wasn't working at all. So that really does explain a lot. While we check the fences, we also check the troughs where the cattle are. We do this to make sure that the float is working in the trough and that the pump is engaging when it should. The kookaburras in the background and the cows watching on make it a pretty pleasant job. So we've found a massive gum tree that's fallen on our boundary fence. The area on our property that this boundary fence is on is in that swamp area that we just fixed earlier. So we do have another fence between this one that's now damaged and where the cattle are. How awesome is the hollow in this tree though? Had to check if there's any critters living inside.
I wonder if there's a critter in there.
So we get to work just moving some branches, really trying to assess the damage to the fence that this tree's made.
Very like
Got to go your way though.
creepy. Yeah, there's a creeper over there. nothing I can grab, is there? Stuff here. We can lift this one. There we go.
The fence actually looks alright under the massive branch, so it shouldn't really need much fixing once we do get the branch off the fence. But this job is going to need the tractor. We don't think that this branch is a job for today, so we're going to head home. Thanks for joining us on our fence check. We hope you enjoyed watching. We will see you on the next farm or bush adventure.